Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the Stalker Arrow Indicator for MT4. This signal-based tool plots clear buy and sell arrows directly on your chart to highlight potential trading opportunities and simplify decision making. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now let's go. As you can see, the Stalker Arrow Indicator plots upward pointing arrows, green color arrows, below price candles to signal potential buy opportunities, as you can see here, and downward pointing arrows above candles to signal potential sell opportunities. We also have the green bar and red bar or red line. Now this indicates red for stop loss and green for take profit, and it changes orientation depending on the arrow direction. For red, the stop loss bar or line, SL line, will be above the arrow, and take profits line will be below the arrow. For the buy arrow, the stop loss line will be below and the take profits line will be above. We also have a dashboard that shows the win to loss ratio and the win point or win percent and win percent to loss point and loss percent and the point zone or one. Now if we move over to its settings, we can see the stalker period, the spread of points, the signal mode, and the take profit calculations. We also have the ATR period. We also have other variables that you can adjust to suit your trading style. You can also adjust the visual cues. Now, because these arrows are drawn directly on the main chart, they provide a clear visual map of where the tool has identified bullish and bearish conditions over time. The simplicity of the arrow display means traders can quickly see possible turning points or continuations without interpreting multiple sub-windows. Now, who is it for? This Stalker Arrow Indicator is suitable for beginners who want straightforward chart cues and for experienced traders who like concise signal overlays for scalping, day trading, or swing trading. His multifunctional approach with the stop loss and take profits and trend direction arrows, along with his dashboard showing the wins to loss, means traders have visual representation of what goes on in the trading chart. It's a visual analytical tool, and like other arrow indicators, can produce false signals, lag behind price, and suffer during high volatility or sideways conditions. It's important that traders should avoid over-reliance, combine it with other tools such as moving averages or RSI, use stop loss, test it on demo, and be cautious around major news events. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. You can also read the full Stalker Arrow Indicator MT4 article, including features, benefits, limitations, and best practices at the Forex Geek. Now, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so the algorithm will push us to more people and they don't miss future educational videos.